Hey guys, it's Adrienne. Now in this video today, I'm going to show you how to set up your email series in GetResponse that will go out automatically when you have a subscriber. There's a link in the description for you to get the software if you don't already have it. Now, if you find value in this video, I ask that you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All right, so let's get into it. So when you're logged into GetResponse, you're going to click on the contacts and then go over to the right and click on Create List and give it a name. This is where all your visitors are going to go when they enter their name and email on your capture page. Next, at the top of the page, you're going to click on Tools and then select Autoresponders. Now go into the Select link and check the box next to the list that we just created and click Apply at the bottom. Now we need to add all your email letters. If you're a part of the Home Business Academy, we provide you with 50 email swipes to use in your autoresponder, which is what I'm going to be using in this demo today. And you can click the link in the description that says Join Home Business Academy to get these swipes as well. And here are the letters that we're going to be using. So I will copy the subject line and then go back to GetResponse and click the Create Autoresponder button. Now to keep my letters organized, I give them a number. So for the first one, I'm going to type in 00 and then write a short description about the subject. In this little drop-down menu, then you're going to select the list that we just created. I want this email to go out immediately after they click the Submit button on the capture page, so I'm going to set this to 0 and leave this at same time they signed up. Make sure all the days of the week are checked, and then you're going to want to set your from and reply address to the email of your domain name. So you don't want to use a Gmail, Yahoo, or Hotmail address. This is going to help with deliverability, and there are some videos in the Home Business Academy that shows you how to set this up. And then right here is where you will paste in the subject line. Then click Design Message. And over here, you'll be able to choose one of these templates. And as you can see, there's quite a few to choose from. And if you find one that you like, you can click the Preview button to see what it looks like. Now, if you scroll back up to the top, I'm just going to go with a blank template just to keep things simple. Then you just click and drag a text block over to the editor and then type in a greeting. And then click on the little person icon over here and select the first name macro. Then go back to the email swipe and copy the body of the email. Now this time you're going to copy and paste it into Notepad because these emails are not formatted. So you're going to do your formatting over there. Now for the sake of time, I've already formatted the first two emails. So just go ahead and copy it. And then I'm going to paste it in the editor. And at the bottom is where I'm going to type my name. When you're formatting your emails, make sure to also grab the link that you want to forward your subscribers to. And I also put that in Notepad too, so it's easy to get to. So I'll go ahead and just grab it right here and copy it. Now, one thing about this URL is it's a redirect link. And I showed you how to create that in my Part 4 video. And this is also going to help you to improve deliverability of your emails. All right, so let's go back to the email, highlight the text that you want to turn into a clickable link, click the chain icon, and paste in the URL right here, and then click Update. Then click Next, and scroll down to the bottom, and click the slider next to track link clicks with Google Analytics. And then send a test message to yourself so you know how the email is going to look to your visitors. Now, when you open the email, It's going to have your subscriber's name in it. But since this is a test message, it's only going to show the macro right here. All right, and you're just going to give it a quick once over and see if there's anything that you want to change. And you also want to click the link to make sure it goes to the page that you expect it to. And give it a few minutes to load. And then if you're happy with the email, just go back to GetResponse and click Save and Publish. Now for your remaining emails, you don't have to start from scratch. So what you're going to do is come over to these three dots and select Duplicate. Then go to your email swipes, grab the subject of email number 2, and then I'm going to change this to 01 and give it a short name. And right here is where you want to increase the number to day 1. And then you can choose any time that you want this email to go out, such as exactly at 11 a.m. But you can choose any time you want. So then you're going to just paste in the subject and click Edit Email. Next, I just cut out this part of the email, so you're only left with the greeting and the closing. And then you're going to go back to Notepad and grab the body of the second email. Okay, and then paste it in the editor. Once again, you're going to highlight the text that you want to make clickable and click the link icon. And if you start typing, the URL should be in the list from when you created the first email. All right, and then click Insert. Then click Next and Save and Publish. So when you're done with all the emails, your list should look like this. So for the first 7 days, I send an email every single day. And then after that, I send out the series every 3 days. Now, you don't have to create all 50 emails in one sitting. You can do like 10 a day or something like that until you get them all in there. Also, I prefer shorter emails, so you can reduce some of them down if you think they're too long and just edit the email. And that's pretty much it for the autoresponder portion of GetResponse. If you need help integrating your capture pages with GetResponse, I made a 2-minute video called Connect Your Sales Funnel to GetResponse, and you can find it on my channel. I hope this video has been informative for you, and thank you for watching.